Today we're gonna be trying some tacos made by my mom. If you're wondering why there's no cheese on my taco, because I don't like cheese on my tacos. I personally like cheese on my tacos because they add flavor. Okay. Now we're gonna be trying them. 3, 2, 1. Overall, the ground turkey is good, but tacos are my favorite food. 10 out of 10. 11 out of 10. Yep. Let's try these. Let's try the nachos. Cheesy. For the most of it, the cheese was good. The tacos were amazing. 10 out of 10. The taco was very good.